in this contest for victory 11. Excellent delivery. Taufik has bowled a beautiful delivery. Taufik has got a vital breakthrough for the team. It's literally a superb stuff from the ball. Taufik. I request Victory 11 team captain Mr. Vijay, please send your 12th man here. We are not familiar with your team players. Please send your 12th man. It will be helpful to the scorer and the live. You will have to send as soon as possible. Victory 11 team captain, please, for your kind attention. It's a live streaming game. If there is a names mistakes, means we are not responsible for that. That's the reason you have to send your 12th man as soon as possible. It was a short delivery. Rocks back very well. That's a welcome boundary for the team. Score moves on to 9. ತಂಡದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮೊತ್ತ 9 ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಬೃಹತ್ ಮೊತ್ತವನ್ನು ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ತಂಡ ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ 11 223 ಓಟಗಳನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಬೃಹತ್ ಕಠಿಣ ಸವಾಲನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಎದುರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. Oh, it's wrapped on the pad. I think no runs whatsoever. Excellent bowling performance by this guy. Mr. Taufik is bowling superbly. This time he has bowled 2 away from the off stump channel. Straight away umpire says it's a wide. 1 run will be added to the total. This the tournament will be proceeded up to 6 days, 8 teams, grim battles. Let us wait and see who will be the winners, who will be the champion of this tournament. What a strike. Oh my God. He was running back and it was looks like almost he has taken, but finally it's bite the dust. And also he has conceded just a single. Excellent fielding. After completion of over number 2, score moves on to 10. Excellent bowling. He's a spearhead bowler for the team, Abhishek. Excellent strike, a lovely looking stroke all along the ground. That's a crafty batting. It's an elegant stroke. It's literally a treat to watch. That's gone all the way for 4 runs. It's been hammered away for 4 runs. Once again, excellently bowled delivery. This time, vacant region, that will be a boundary. Yes, that's another fabulous boundary for the team. After this match, next match will be played between Victory 11 versus SGCC. Score moves on to 2-0-20. ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ 11 ವರ್ಸಸ್ SGCC. ಆತಿಥೇಯ ತಂಡಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೋಚಕ ಕಾಳಗ. Excellent bowling. After the bat, it's wrapped on the pad, no damage whatsoever. Excellently bowled delivery by Tawfiq. Such a tall and lean guy. Looks very, very fittest guy in the team. He can generate such a killing pace and bounce. Sometimes he can bring his Yorkers fuller length deliveries from his weapons repertoires. This time it's not even the sweet part of the bat. That will be a boundary. Somashekar and Chandrasekhar, they looks like each other. Very confusion, and these are the two twin brothers in this team. What a delivery. It's another cracking, beautiful ball delivery. It's literally cramping the room for the batsman. After this What a lovely looking stroke. Vacant region. It's been put away for 4 runs. It was on the slat. It rocks back. It's been bludgeoned for another boundary. Okay, now score is on to 28. 28 for 1. Over number 4. Over number 4 is in progress. Chasing a mammoth massive total. 223 runs to win this contest. In allotted 20 overs game. What a sheer pace delivery, and it's confused everyone. Misses batsman and the keeper, and all together there was a firstly fielder and it misses altogether. That's raised into the boundary. Tawfiq is bowling once again. Oh, once again, his sheer pace is literally confusing the batsman like anything. Whether should I go forward or backward? Such kind of a confusion created by the bowler. Dot ball to finish off his over after completion of over number 4. Scores still remain on 32 for 1. Somshekhar is in bowling end, and keeper is his brother Chandrasekhar. ಒಂದೆಡೆ ಸೋಮ ಮತ್ತೊಂದೆಡೆ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅನ್ನುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದು, ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಒಂದು ಎಸೆತಗಾರಿಕೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅವಳಿ ಸಹೋದರರ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಘಿಕ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಘರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪಂದ್ಯ. ರೆಡ್ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿನ್ ತಂಡದ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅತ್ಯಮೂಲ್ಯ ಆಸ್ತಿ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅವಳಿ ಸಹೋದರರು. Excellently ball delivery by Somshekhar. ಸ್ವತಃ ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲಿಬಿಲಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್, ಯಾರು ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು ಧಾವಂತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಹ ಒಂದೇ ರೂಪದ ಒಂದು ಪಡಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅವಳಿ ಸಹೋದರರು. Somshekhar is in bowling. His twin brother Chandrasekhar is in keeping behind the wicket. Again, what a terrific piece of bowling. There was a fielder, but he has become just a spectator. That's gone all the way for 4 runs. Shiva is on strike, and on striker Vijay, the skipper of the team. Oh, it was almost a bang on target delivery. This bowler is trying to bowl fuller length and Yorker's delivery. That previous delivery, it was almost landed on his boot. If you miss, then I'm going to hit your Tiba. Such kind of a challenging attitude. Bounded delivery, no doubt about it. Excellent dot ball to finish off his over. Excellent delivery. This is the match is going on between Red Scorpions versus Victory 11. Today's second match is going on. And this is SGCC T20 Cup, edition number 3. Required run rate is creeping up towards a 12.40, I think. "90 deliveries left with them. 186 runs. It is a massive mammoth total, no doubt about it. Shivu. He has scored already 30 runs in 17 deliveries. The skipper of the team, Mr. Vijay. He has played 9 deliveries, but he has scored just 3 runs. And now he's looking to change the bat, I think. Vijay, the skipper of the team. Excellent delivery. Another express pace delivery. This time he has bowled towards the leg stump channel. Look at the keeper. He stood there like a football soccer style and prevented a certain single. This time surprised the batsman, even though they will get 2 runs. No, only a single. Nivendru. It was a full toss, and will it go all the way for 4 runs? Yes, indeed, that's gone all the way for 4 runs. It's a full-blooded strike. Speed part of the bat, one more boundary for the team. Chasing one of the Herculean, mighty, intimidating, daunting toss. It's never ever easy. Such a huge total to cross 223 runs target. This time he played towards the mid-wicket region. That will be another boundary, another fabulous boundary, another fantastic strike for 4 runs. Shivu looks like a lone fighter, one-man army. He has scored 30 runs in just 19 deliveries. ಹೌದು. ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಅವಳಿ ಸಹೋದರ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರು ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಶತಕವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದಂಥ ಆಟಗಾರ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ he put away towards excellent boundary between backward point region and Thorman region. That's gone all the way for 4. Now team score moves on to 50 off. 50 ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಧ ಶತಕವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ 11 ತಂಡ. Once again is played beautifully. There is a filters protection. Shivu along with Vijay. Two batsmen are fighting for the victory. Excellent stroke. There is a fielder. He fumbles, and even though they allowed just a single, 1 run conceded in that delivery. After completion of over number 7, the score was on to 52 for 1. Chasing a massive mammoth, mighty total. Huge total, 223 runs in 20 overs game. Already 7 overs have been bowled. Scores still remain on 52 for 1. What a superb lightning quick delivery it was. Such a superb express delivery. This time it's wrapped on the pad. I think he was in trouble, but no damage whatsoever. Nivendru to Shivu. This time it was a short bit delivery, but umpire says it's a wide. He has bowled 2 away from the leg stump channel this time. Umpire says it's a wide, 1 run to the total. Once again, it was not a sweet part of the bat. Inside edge, I think it was spinning like a top, no runs whatsoever. Shivu, so far he has scored 39 runs in 25 deliveries. He wanted to play all along the ground, straight forward bat, but it was not a sweet part of the bat, and just a single towards a deep backward point region. This time again he has bowled 2 away from the leg stump channel. 2 extras are coming up for this batting team. Excellent delivery. Again, very good comeback from Nivendru. This time delicate touch. Oh my God, direct hits are always dangerous, but they are well good enough to get 2 runs quite comfortably. And finally, umpire looking at third umpire to decide. Let us wait and see what will be the outcome result. Whether there is a red light or green light. Let us wait and see. Direct hits are always dangerous. It's not out. Score still remain 57 for 1. Ninth over to be bowled by Gaurav. He is getting ready for the bowling. This time there is a fielder's protection applied towards extra coverage and just a single. Shivu, he has scored so far 41 runs in 20 deliveries. This time just a wristy flick. Will they get single? Yes, indeed. They got sharp single. Two batsmen are trying to steal the runs at will. Still, they need to go huge way to get the total. Chasing a victory target of 223 runs. It's not the easiest to target. Somebody has to take acceleration, cut loose to bang theory. Boundaries and sixes, they will have to look in every single over. This time it was a short and wide delivery, but there is a fielder's protection, no runs whatsoever. Short backward point region, there is a fielder. I think Motahir was the fielder, and that previous delivery this time excellently batted. They got one more boundary, superbly applied. Another fine leg boundary, deep fine leg region. It crosses, and that's another fabulous boundary. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಭೋಜನದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ರೆಯ ಮಂಪರಿಗೆ ಜಾರುವ ಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನ ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದರೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಸಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಸಿಡಿಲ ಬರದ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಬೌಂಡರಿಗಳ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ವಿಕ್ಟ್ರಿ 11 ತಂಡ. ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಟಂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಎಸೆತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಟಿ ಓಟದ ಪೂರೈಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತೀರಾ ನಿಧಾನಗತಿಯ ಎಸೆತದ ಮರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಅರಿಯುವಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುತಾಹಿರ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ನಿಧಾನಗತಿಯ ಎಸೆತಗಳು. Tenth over is in progress. Excellently bowled delivery. It's wrapped on the part, and once again they are asking the question. Umpire remains with a cool-mindedly. Again, this time he has bowled towards the leg stump channel. Played again towards the deep pine leg region. Just a single. Drinks break will be there. Official drinks break after 10th over. And scores still remain. Score display ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Bowler name. That's a mighty blow that's landed out of the ground here. What a strike. Score moves on to 73 for 1. Excellent delivery. Gaurav. This time he plied delicately towards the backward point region. Shivu is batting with a 53, and Vijay, he has scored 14 runs. Once again, excellent deliveries, cramping the room for the batsman. No clue whatsoever for the batsman. After completion of over number 11, the score still remains 73 for 1. Required run rate is 16.6. 16.36. This time defensively played, no runs are coming. Vijay is playing very well indeed, but singles and doubles, it not works for them. They will have to go for bang bang theory. Excellent delivery from Mutahir. Once again, batsman completely beaten. Runs not coming. Excellent delivery. Is bowling leg cutters, off cutters, and is creating the confusion in the batsman mindset. Runs are not coming. What a bowling performance from this guy. Mutahir has bowled unbelievable, spectacular maiden over. Congratulations, Mr. Mutahir, for your superb effort. Once again, they are bringing to attack. Gaurav, excellently bowled delivery once again. Runs are not coming. Again, dotted delivery, and umpire raises the fingers towards the heaven. Gaurav has provided much needed vital breakthrough for the team. Batsman make fast. One of the fabulous innings comes to an end. Shivu, he walks back to pavilion. Newman in Surya. He has bowled well, he has fielded well, but let's see how he can bat for the team's demanding critical situation. Very fast ball. He played a defensive stroke. No runs whatsoever. Gowra is the bowler this time. Excellently batted. Just a single. Dot ball to finish off is over after completion of over number 13. Score still remain on 74 for 2. Another bowler they are bringing into attack once again. Mutahir. Required run rate is 21.29. It's a creeping up like a skyrocket. This is what happens sometimes. I try to get the catch, but just a finger clips and it's gone all the way for fence. This time excellently played. There is a backward point fielder. He fielded very well. No runs whatsoever. This time he completely misses. No runs whatsoever. This time another beautiful piece of bowling. Excellent slog sweep by the batsman, Mr. Surya. Only a single to be taken. This time the skipper himself, Mr. Vijay, is on strike. Vijay is on strike. No room whatsoever. Mutahir was bowling very well indeed. Dot ball to finish off is over after completion of over number 14. 14th score. This time there is a sloppy fielding. I think that's raised all the way for 4 runs. ಅತ್ಯಾಕರ್ಷಕವಾದ ಹೊಡೆತ 4 ಓಟಗಳ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. This kind of strokes required for them, but still it looks like impossibilities are rising in the mindset of the opponent team. Runs are not coming so easily. This time it will be a excellent strike. Yes, indeed, that's a massive, mighty blow for sixer. Once again, powerful strike, but there is a fielder. Deep mid-wicket region, just a single. Runs are not coming. Flowing stream looks like a dried up here. This time he played very well, but only a single to be taken. No connection between bat and pad. Another dot ball to finish off his over, and after completion of over number 15, scores still remain on 98 for 2. Red Scorpions, they literally got the upper hand in this game. Somashekhar as a bowler. This is over number 16 is in progress. Required run rate is telling us 25.66. Once again, Mr. Surya, the alone hope for this team, dancing down the track but doesn't make any connection with the bat. Excellent strike, but where they are getting only a single. Vijay has to demand, has to respond to the demanding situation with a magnificent sixes and boundaries. No, clean ball to him and cleaned him up and sent back to the pavilion. Excellent delivery. Make fast, batsman. We are literally running out of the time here. Excellent delivery. Just blocking with a defensive stroke. No runs whatsoever. Excellent strike. But there is a fielder. Just only a single to be taken. With that single, finish off is over. After completion of over number 16, the score still remain on 1 for 3. Finish off this game as soon as possible, because we are literally running out of time. After this, another match will be there. This time excellent batting, just a single. One or two. Lofted stroke. There is a fielder's protection. Finally safely taken. Surya was batted. He was batting. Make fast batsman. Bega bega barbego. Umpire, you will have to finish up this game as soon as possible because we are running out of time here. Make fast batsman. New man in. Aruna. Clean bowled and sent back to the pavilion. One more wicket by the dust here. It's like a parade. Is played defensive stroke like a test cricket, but no runs are coming here. Once again, there is no chance for any run. That will be another single. "18 balls, still 120 runs to win this contest." Just a lofted stroke, only a single. T20 cricket is going on here, but very rare runs are coming here. Once again, excellent delivery. Somashekhar is the bowler once again. Once again, another lofted stroke. No runs are coming. Will it be a boundary? Only 2 runs for the total. This time he played towards the backward point region. 2 more runs to the total. Arun along with Stephen. These are the two batsmen are in the center. After completion of over number 18th. SGCC hosting team. Next match. Ivarkum Vijay 11. Victory 11. Only a single. Is not starting the deliveries. After this match, there will be another match between hosting team SGCC versus Victory 11. Oh, excellently tried, but I couldn't reach out. They are trying to get the singles and doubles. They're not looking to cut loose or accelerate the run. Runs are not coming such easily. 6 balls. Equation, it's not correct. I think just a single. And once again, I would like to congratulate for both the teams. Red Scorpions, they have registered their first victory in this tournament.